my friends, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this video and it's taken us a while and we're not going to get into why, but I'm excited to announce that I have a new machine that I use. It is the Spellbinders Platinum, and this is what it looks like. It's nice because look, it doesn't take up much room, which is fantastic. And you're going to open it up. Look at that. It's nice and sturdy. Look, my table's moving, but the machine's not. It's nice and sturdy, and it's a great machine. This is the machine I've been using in my personal crafting for quite a while now, and now I'm excited to announce this to you. Now, here's the deal. It comes in 2 sizes, and this is the larger size. It's called the Platinum. They also have the Platinum 6. This is the Platinum 6, and I'm going to put this one together for you so you can see how easy it is to put together the first time. But this is the Platinum 6. This is a smaller machine. This is the regular Platinum. I highly, highly recommend you get the larger one, okay? More dies are coming out. I'm coming out with more dies that are larger. I want you to get the larger machine. Now, here's the deal. I know a lot of you have the magnetic platform that I designed, okay? If you have that, guess what? It fits in this machine. Isn't that awesome? I know, right? Watch this. It fits in the machine. Now, it is tight. Do not email me and say, "Ooh, it's really tight." I know that. I know that. But, because you're talking about 2 different companies here, okay? But look, it fits. Now, what I recommend you do is you take this, and I did this a couple times to kind of like get it ready to go. You know what I mean? I'm just kind of moved it around just to kind of give it some stuff. But guess what? You can also use the cutting pads you already have. You do not need to buy new cutting pads right off the bat. Eventually you will, but not, I mean, if you need them. It comes with some too. But you can use the standard sandwich, and look, la la la. I'm not even putting my hand on it. You will eventually want to, but look, you can use all the cutting pads you already have and the magnetic platform that you already have. Awesome. Am I right? Am I right? And it's awesome. It's a great machine. And if you want to, and the funny thing is at my house, because I do some crafting here, this is the office, and I do most of my crafting at home. Well, I don't have like a real craft room at my new house because it's a temporary house and we don't know what we're doing. So the nice thing about this one, it folds up. Look at that. And it has a handle that I just totally like. How did it all of a sudden, I don't want to break a nail. Now I can't get the handle up. Oh, there it goes. I didn't want to break a nail, but it normally just pops up really easily. But look, you can pick it up, you can move it around, lay it down. Watch, I want to show you the handle. Make sure you know it does come up now. But look at that. And then you open it, use it, and then you can also close it up. Okay, so this is the larger one. I highly recommend the larger one. Let's look at the little one, because this one I haven't put together yet. But we're going to open it up. The nice thing about it is the sandwich is the same. You're still going to use, and on theirs too. We'll look at theirs. But you're still using the same sandwich. Your platform, a cutting pad, your die and paper, another cutting pads, and run it through. Same sandwich. Which was very important to me because I don't want to have to learn a new system, right? Are you right? Am I right? We don't want to learn a new system. We want to learn what we know. We don't want to have to learn anything else in here, right? Okay, so this one's cute, actually. I didn't realize how cute it was because I haven't opened this one yet. This is the first time I'm opening. I've just used the big one the whole time. This is called the 6, Platinum 6, because it's 6 inches. Makes sense. Oh, it's actually really cute. I didn't expect it to be this cute. Okay, maybe I'll use both. Oh, it really is cute. Okay, sorry. So that's all empty. I'm going to throw that down there. Here we have our handle. Oh, get that out. Okay, so, and of course there's directions. You don't need the directions. You guys know how to die cut. But we're going to open this up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute though. Hey, Kenny, can you find me one of the smaller magnetic platforms, please? Because I want to test it. Pretty please? He's busy working. Okay, so we're going to open this up. We have all our platforms. Now, they have in here a cute little a little information, blah, blah, blah. Save it, but you know, I don't read. I mean, I read, but I don't read directions. So here we have cutting pads. Nice, nice. Same thicknesses as the other. So that's awesome. And then they have like these other things like this. Oh, at least it says on there, so I know. It says embossing plate, so I guess if you're gonna emboss. And then this is for like if you do that. It's stuff I don't do, so I don't know. Don't email me and ask me because I don't know. Okay, but and actually this is handy dandy. It has directions on this, so it has a menu. In case you need it, it has a recipe on there. That's perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, hang on. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it. But first we gotta put it together. We're gonna grab the little handle and we're gonna just put it on. This is a one-time thing. You don't always have to do this. And then we're gonna get the little guy and we're gonna put the little thing on there. And we're gonna drop that in there. Oh, I like to turn it this way so I can see what I'm doing. I got LASIK eye surgery. Did you guys know that? A lot of you knew that. A lot of you follow the Facebook fan page, but I got LASIK eye surgery and I'm still getting, oh, hang on, let's do it this way. So we're just gonna screw this in there just like that. Standard, this is all standard, right? We've all done this before. And you know what I like to do? And I like to save these in a cute little spot. Usually I used to tape it to the bottom, but I don't know if that'll really hold. So we're just gonna put this in a safe spot. Oh, and it comes with a cute little plug. I don't know if that's what you call it, but look, oh wow, that goes in there really nice. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this machine's so cute. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this one too now. Oh gosh, okay, but we're gonna open it up. Oh, it's really cute. Okay, but really get the bigger one. I know this one's cute. If you travel, get this one and that one, but get that one for at home, okay? Now, what we're gonna do, so here's their platform. It's great, it's fantastic. But, you know, I invented this. The Stamps of Life. I invented this. I'm gonna use it because it's awesome. So look at that though, woo, it fits. And we can use their cutting pads or our cutting pads. So we are going to grab that and they're like brand new. Okay, but let's get a piece of cardstock and we are going to get a die, lay that down. And we are going to lay this down and we are going to run that through. So get that and we're gonna run that through. Now, I will be honest, because you know me, I'm always transparent. I always try to be as honest and upfront with you as possible. This magnetic platform fits better in this machine than this magnetic platform fits in that machine. Does it fit still? Yes. That's all that matters, right? Okay, now, dun, 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 first time ever using this little cute one. Thank you. Okay, look at that. Look at that. This is normal. When you see those pieces, that on the back, see, that's normal. That's the blade going into the cutting pad, totally normal. But again, I want you to see that it's the same sandwich that we're used to. Platform, cutting pad, paper, die face down, another cutting pad. Isn't it awesome? It's awesome. You're gonna love it, and it's cute. I can't believe how cute it is. Isn't that funny? I've always used the big one, but this one's really cute. Look how cute it is, Kenny. Isn't it cute? Okay, that's it. I love it. It's fun. It's all good. Life is good. Life is awesome. So go check it out. Club members, guess what? You get the club discount on these machines. I know, it gets better and better. Okay, if you really watched this whole video, I love you. I bet you there's a lot of people watching this video that aren't very happy. Okay, mwah. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.